Okay guys, so welcome. In today's video I want to show you guys how you can find your Bybit UID and your major token deposit address on what Bybit Exchange. Please make sure you watch this video carefully so as not to make any mistake, because the requirements for each exchange is very different. What they ask you for another exchange is not the same thing as what they will ask you for this exchange, especially for Bybit. So make sure you watch it carefully. As you can see below my screen, you can see major launch pool is currently ongoing and it ends in just 22 hours as at the time I'm making this video. That's for those who are participating in the launch pool and are buying at what pre-market. So quickly now I'm going to be showing you how you can correctly find your Bybit UID and then your major deposit address, the details you need to get in your major deposit address. So now if you are seeing this channel for the very first time, do ensure what you subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up so more people can see it and learn. And if you did not qualify for the major airdrop, do not feel bad or sad whatsoever. Just know that there are different airdrops they are going to be paying us in this season, in 2024 and in the year thereafter, that is 2025. Ensure you check my bio and in the description box so you can join my Telegram channel to stay connected and start farming different airdrops that I've already posted in my Telegram channel, as well as my video log on my YouTube channel. So quickly now let's look for our Bybit UID. Now if you look above my screen, on the top left you are going to be seeing an icon with a profile, indication. So what you are going to do is to tap on that icon. So as you tap on the icon, it will bring you to this place, and now as you can see, my Bybit is verified. So ensure that the Bybit you are going to use for your withdrawal is verified, so that you'll be able to trade. In the next video I'll be showing you how you'll be able to sell this your major token that you have received to USDT and sell it through P2P to Naira or any local currency of your choice. So do ensure you watch this video to the end, because there's going to be a video that is going to pop up which I explain how to do P2P on the Bybit Exchange. So quickly now, as I'm here now, if you look below my email address, which is above my profile, you are going to see UID. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to just tap on this UID, which is copied successfully, and I'll take it to my Telegram bot. And once I take it there, I'm going to paste it where they required for Bybit UID. Now the next thing for me to do is to search for my major deposit address. If you look on my screen now, at the top of it, you are going to see deposit. So what you are going to do is to tap on deposit. There are different options to use. So once you tap on deposit, you are going to see 3 options below: P2P trading, buy with Naira, because you are seeing Naira because the country here for my Bybit is indicating Nigeria, so that's why you are seeing Naira. If you are watching from another country, it will indicate your own local currency. So the third option which we need now is deposit crypto. So once you tap on deposit crypto, now it's going to bring you to this interface. The next thing for us to do is to go to the search bar. So once we go to search bar, we'll type the word major, MAJOR. Now this is the major part. You need to pay attention carefully. Now this is major. Once we tap on major, it's going to load up. Remember, major is on the Ton blockchain. So if you see any other major in another different blockchain, just desist from it and ensure you watch this video carefully. Now as I tap on major, now this is where you need to pay detailed attention. Now this is what they are asking. This is what they say. Notice, to ensure a seamless deposit experience, please ensure that you use both major deposit address and major memo tag. Now this is where most people get it wrong. They just take only the the wallet address and they skip this memo tag. If you don't put this memo tag, you won't receive any airdrop whatsoever. So ensure you are copying 2 things, which is your major wallet address. You will copy it and paste it there, and your memo tag. Don't go and fill any incorrect detail. So copy this wallet address. The next thing, you copy your memo tag and you paste it in your Telegram bot for major airdrop. So you are pasting 2 things there, 3 things initially: your Bybit UID, your wallet address, and your memo tag. Ensure you like this video, you drop me a thank you in the comment section. Indicate the country you are watching from, either with your country flag as you guys normally do, and subscribe to this channel. Ensure you follow my Telegram channel so you can stay connected for different airdrop. Watch this video. Now at the end of this video, you are going to see a P2P trading what for Bybit. So watch it so you can know how to what use P2P to convert your major to what USDT to any local currency of your choice. In the next video, I will show you how to what sell this your major token on Bybit Exchange account. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up so more people can see it and learn how to do it and not make mistake. You can rewatch this video and follow it properly. Subscribe to this channel right now. Thank you for watching, guys.